Welcome back. In the first video, we set up a new project and selected the attributes. In this video, we'll show how easy and important it is to model a science center or any building based on its purpose, aka the owner's business case. You'll recall this project set console page where we access the 5 integrated categories to define project requirements. Let's select Program Panel. Since the template was selected, we see a default composition of functional program groups, aka departments. We open the next panel by selecting Edit. It's important to group the owner's business case by the functional program. Let's expand the science class labs. Here, we can rename the group or department based on the owner's program, if there is one. We can also add a description. This could include the location or floor or other information. Within the functional group, we see multiple functions. Let's expand the science teaching lab. In this pane, we can rename the function, again to align with the program, if applicable. Then we enter the number of units, 6 labs in this case. Catalyst calculates the department gross area associated with the function and displays the mean value. Throughout the Catalyst UI or edit pages, the user can revise or override the predictions. This can be done manually or automatically through Catalyst's import feature. We can easily remove or add new functional groups. To remove, we simply select the red X and then confirm. To add, we select the Add Program Group. We can then replace title with the group or department name and description if desired. We'll add the first function space. This opens a drop-down panel of predefined functional groups. As you can see, there are many to pick from. We'll pick Science Lab and Research. Within Science Lab and Research, there are several functions to pick from, each of which have their own space program and detailed cost data. We simply remove, add, or edit each group and its associated functions to define the owner's business case. In this case, 14 functions across 4 groups or departments. Catalyst predicts the supporting and core and common spaces, resulting in a space program summary as shown here. We can then edit the supporting program spaces and the core and common spaces. Let's take a deeper dive into the core and common. Catalyst predicts the key core elements and program areas. We can, for example, select Revise to change the number of elevators. Catalyst then updates the number of elevator stops, the program areas associated with elevators, and all downstream massing and other parameters, schedule, and cost. Within minutes from adding a new project, we can know within a range of variation how much building we need, how long it will take to build, and how much it will cost. As we revise and add information, Catalyst fine-tunes the predictions, increasing the certainty of outcomes. Future videos will address parameters and schedule. In the next video, we'll drill down into the cost details.